Hello and welcome to Glue. Today I'll show you how to work with 3D assets and Glue 3D Draw. I've imported the 3D model of this coffee machine from Lakeview. We need to make changes in the design of this coffee machine for our customers' custom space. We will use Glue 3D Draw to add annotations to the model, as well as notes to describe the changes we will need to make. Our customer would like to have their logo on the side, the coffee machine to be blue, as well as adjust the position of one button. Also, cups could be on top. Now, our designer can visit the space and see the changes he needs to make to the new model. With this approach, you can take any generic 3D model, import it into space, and use it as a base. With the high level of visualization, it would be much easier to communicate your message to your design team and customers.